Hi everybody, Chris Oenick from JCP&L here in Monmouth County. We are doing some upgrades on our high voltage system we call our sub-transmission lines. Here's a little bit of the work that we're doing.
This work is taking place only a block off the ocean in Monmouth Beach, an area popular with osprey and other wildlife. To reduce the risk of animal-related outages and for additional protection, crews are replacing the horizontal crossarms that carry the lines with new insulators, which are the piece that attach the wire to poles and crossarms. These higher-rated insulators are being mounted sideways directly to the pole. Osprey and other animals don't like nesting on these.
They're removing the old steel crossarms, installing those insulators, and when it's all said and done, that's what it'll look like. And where our crews find poles in need of replacement, they are replacing them as well as part of this project. You can see a new one right here behind me. And so that's just a little peek into some of the work going on here as part of this upgrade project in Monmouth County.